Today, we're taking a look at the Caroma Luna Back to Wall bathtub. The Luna Back to Wall is available in a compact 1400mm, making it perfect for bathrooms with limited space. The back to wall arrangement means there is nowhere for dust to accumulate in those hard to reach spots, as the bath sits nice and flush against the wall. The sanitary grade acrylic resists staining and scratching throughout the duration of the bath's lifetime and has excellent heat retention properties, making it a perfect long-lasting bathtub. Finished in a high gloss, this bathtub has natural slip resistance. Any minor scratch marks that may occur throughout the bath's lifetime can be removed with gentle metal polishes such as Brasso. The Caroma Luna Back to Wall bath features an integrated overflow, which helps provide peace of mind, especially for homes that do not require a floor waste. For a functional and stylish addition to your bathroom, you can't go past the compact Caroma Luna Back to Wall bathtub. We'd love to help make your next project a blue space renovation, so give us a call today. For more information and to view our complete range, visit thebluespace.com.au.